Now we need to go way over there, so. Sure. We're going camping. Alright guys, so little update on the pot. Welcome back peeps. Today we're going camping. You see me? We have camping gears and stuff in this bag, the tent and stuff, you see me? We're going camping with Din Din, Official TV. Also with Really Hard Nina and Mixed Beauty Mill. So right now we're just waiting on them to arrive so we can head out. You see me guys, and show the guys the location. So we're just waiting on them, so whenever them show up, you guys will see what's taking place. So until them reach, catch you guys. Alright peeps, so I don't know, we make a stop. We already got to the supermarket to get the stuff them. We are cook and stuff. Yes, respect. And we are go head out now to Blue Lagoon.
Weird. You say weird hello?
Yeah man, so that I pre now. So the girls them stop for a quick second to get some stuff. So we are gonna get that done and just head out there. Me and Din are gonna wait for them.
You know?
Yeah man. We'll just go by the Blue Lagoon now and see what we're going.
Tell him something. You know you always have to wait on the females.
True.
So if we you know reach long time, you know. You see it.
Yeah, cause we are from about 8 o'clock.
A long time we have to wait, you know.
No, like 4:30. We still a reach.
You know what? 4 o'clock, 4. You say 4:30, maybe 5.
So they make a stop, so we wait for them now and just head out and see
Tell
what
them
we're
say
going.
the boat and say
Yeah.
if we don't reach by
5 o'clock, gone. So we have a swim cross if we're nothing. So if you guys see a swim cross, you know, so a boat man got left way. Peeps, this stop we make, I think it's an hotel. You see me? So it's a really beautiful place, as you guys can see. Yeah, show you guys some more shots. Okay, this is coming with the water. Yeah.
days because you put up your engine already.
No, no, engine 5 o'clock.
You must say, you might set it up for it.
So we just arrived at the Blue Lagoon.
Going up with the foolishness. Forget the foolishness.
You see any cut here down here again? I mean, not at all. I'm going up, the case I'm going up. And nobody roll come down.
So, oh yeah, we're gonna go up. We have a journey to go up with some people. Come to the regular camp. You see me? So we are make a way go up. You know. So how which part of now walk? Now we need to go way over there, so. Sure.
Voila!
What is this?
You're not telling me what?
Yes.
Voila!
Where actually from? Alright now man, sweet. So we reach the spot. Our first spot there. We're going there already? Alright, let's go. Hey guys, so take a process up them and head round. Right now, them bag are heavy. time for me to catch up my fire so we can roast the breadfruit we have. 2 breadfruit for the roast. This is our breadfruit fire where we're gonna put the breadfruit them on. Yeah, so I get it light up now. I make the breadfruit them go and roast, and we have some chicken we're gonna clean up. So time to get the fire started. Alright peeps, see there, the meat all clean up, season up now. Ready for going in the pot. Pot and 2 breadfruit them. Yeah man, so yeah, put in some oil now and burn the curry before putting the chicken in the pot. Put in the oil.
The chicken look good, man. Hey, people, you say the man fire bossy. I bossy is fire this, you know, man. Man have all the breadfruit on the side of warm up.
Yes, sir. Yeah, peeps, so see my tent here. This is my tent, you see me? So I don't know if thing come down, you know. So I go jump in this one ready for sleep. So I'm there cook some food. And we're gonna eat some food and we're gonna get some rest, you see me? So yeah, that I pray now. Alright guys, so a little update on the pot. See the guys, curry chicken. So the breadfruit, I'm gonna peel the breadfruit now. And then I know what time to eat after, you see me guys? So let's get that done. Still not?
No, you miss him go link her, me link her about roots already. And then you say you don't talk to her about camping.
That look like a really like that smell nice. That you know?
You should hear a lot of breadfruit.
Me not tell no like that breadfruit smell.
So he's a breadfruit lover?
Yes.
How about it?
But They say when you have enough breadfruit, you're coward, and that's a lie. I mean, you have enough breadfruit, I'm not coward.
I'm gonna get cold down this one now.
Mm-hmm.
Wash off some of them leaves there. You can't hold on problem now.
But that piece of breadfruit again.
Reach a point and you can't
Well, I know,
hold.
but no,
Like
so
so?
much. I know.
Hold on, let me get you some pig. Hold on.
Tell me that is something. You want the basin?
Hallelujah. Jesus, never.
Nobody can cross it.
Only who? Yeah, that one.
I don't know who know about it.
But nobody literally can cross it.
Nobody can cross it.
The bottom one.
Go on the bottom one.
Also,
I'm going to take off the bottom one.
Like, go up.
Half you want to do all this?
No, up.
No, that's a good food.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
No,
More on breast.
breast.
But yeah, more on bony part too.
And I understand today, no madam.
Breast and thigh.
Breast and thigh, David.
No wing.
Would look like the ribs. Thank you. Look at that. Yeah, that's what it, Mom.
No, you make that.
Thank you. We had to
Please
choose.
come again.
Put our foot in it. I don't know me cook it.
Yes, peeps, this is my food now. I go dig in. Oop. Good, good. Alright, peeps, so I don't know. We eat the food, all I wash off, and we're back in our tent. You see me? So me alone in my tent, in our hammock. Mel Din in their tent. You see me? So guys, we're real tired right now. We go down by the beach, go easy back, and there now about to fall asleep for tomorrow again, you see me? So tomorrow we want to sort out some breakfast and stuff. So you guys just stay tuned for that. And so I go on. Right now I'm here real tired, about to go sleep. You see me? So I hope you all enjoy that first evening of the camping. And stay tuned for tomorrow, so keep on watching. Good night.
Good morning, people. As you guys can see, I am just wake, yo. You see me? Just wake. Yeah, slept so well. So people, today is the next day. I'm not sure what's the plan as yet, but you guys are going to go and see me. Right now, as I say, just wake. Just pull the tent. Yeah, I'm gonna step outside and see what I go on and show you guys around how the place look. Because yesterday we didn't get to do much because we reached kind of late. Right, so you guys are gonna see a better view of the place today, and yeah, just keep on watching and see how this day goes.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be staying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my you left it off and clear. Let me in now, don't be shy. in a story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up at 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're.
Alright guys, so it's time to get the fire going for breakfast. So I catch up the fire now and get on the pot. Guys, we have to scrape the plantain to make the porridge, but we don't have any grater. We get out some of the water.
All I need to put in there one time.
Water today. Check out porridge I'm going now. Want more water? Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna check the porridge now. This is the plantain porridge. I'll get it sweetened now. It's supposed to up there now, you know. And I can sample it and tell me if it's good now. Guys, and you tell me say, yo, the porridge. It's in your hand?
Oh, this? Basically,
I see porridge. Open your bunny, you know.
I'm gonna show you.
Listen. What you want? More vanilla? Want a little more milk? Sugar? Take more vanilla.
Alright,
And that good, you know.
that is it.
That's also fire and you know. Cat Nina. Still sleeping. You good? She in her hammock. Guys, don't forget one of them hammock here because I look comfortable sleeping. Look at the view. Look on the view where she have. $1 million view.
Then cut the good in milk.
I'm gonna take. Yeah, man, that's what you like.
Yeah.
More like.
hear him. Yo. You're dangerous, you know?
I know but no more. See the porridge here. I'm gonna try fire, hope it no burn you. So we're gonna dig in right now. Nina still asleep. Nina, porridge finish here. Nina deep in her sleep. Yeah, look on film cup.
Show them a cup, please, compared to
Everybody else
Showed them
cup.
a while ago.
No, put it.
Film cup
put it
full.
My cup is the blue cup. And
greedy.
extremely hot. You know what they must talk about?
Boom. Time for digging at the porridge now. Hey, man, a porridge fan still, no?
But
You see, the only way on me really. Said, fancy curry. Alright, but just weird when you like have pieces.
Mhm.
Curry. You have to like smooth up.
And this not smooth.
when you do the pieces them like that,
You can chew them.
you get that thing that way. You need to become like a thick water right?
See that come like, what you call it? I'm in a corn. Or these little chunks them in there. Hey guys, porridge all done. That was a nice cup of porridge. Now, so we are going to jump off into the water. We're going to go there, so. Yeah, ready to touch the water and see what going. Do some snorkeling. Stupid me, we didn't even have the.
Face around so we are go. So
What?
show you what.
Look, I want down there, so.
So that chin and that make your machine.
Tomorrow we're down there, so.
Up it.
See what going. Making our way down.
They want to rub it back and forth. See, they're kayaking here.
We're changing route. Detour. And then I go up on the beach and then swim around.
I don't know where them are going. On the go.
Around the
Well,
go.
I don't want my purchase.
Still warm, man. I think you never go work, you know, 'cause we never have no flour.
Flour?
Yeah, I think it got thin out.
And people are invading our yard.
Blue, the feeling behind my eye. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's you. As long as it's you. As long as it's with you. can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. Brighter skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Alright, so we just left snorkeling, guys. Left over the beach. Over there now, I catch up back a fire. If you look about something else to eat, you see me? Because the water make me really hungry. So we have some leftovers, curry chicken, and the breadfruit. So then we're gonna fry them. And we have some plantain. We have some plantain also. So we're gonna fry these and eat. You see me? So we fire a year ago. Yeah man, so that I pre right now. I'll look about some of that now and get something more to eat. Because the porridge was really light, so look time in the water and that gone. So we're gonna sort out this now and yes, time to flip the breadfruit them in the pot. Alright guys, you see there? Breadfruit them coming along real nice. And cabbage nice golden color. You see me? Plant them in the pot now. This is finished. I got top this. Alright, so them are finished. So after I try get share them out now to the chicken and them here. So I get I might plate this still, you know. That a for me plate. So I deal with this now.
food here.
I'm gonna sit down and eat now. Eat! I'm gonna sit down and eat. You know who talks, sir? In a fast as meal again. Yeah, so time to shell along some food now.
What? What guy daughter? Man.
Alright peeps, you don't know what time now. If we get ourselves together, pack up by the tent, and clean up what we need to be clean up for head home, you see me guys? So we're gonna pull on your tent now and head pack up the rest of stuff then. Alright peeps, so you don't know about to leave the island and we'll close off the video, and we have the rest of YouTubers here. We have Mixed Beauty Mel,
Yes, guys.
yeah, and we have Nina.
Hi
from
guys, you have Nina from Real Daddy Nina.
Real
Go
Daddy
enjoy
Nina.
yourself over
And
me.
Mixed Beauty Male. And you have
Hello, it's
Din
your boy
Din.
Din Din from
Yeah.
Din Din Official TV. So
Yeah.
alright, make sure to come over, like, share and subscribe. And you know what, NJ, I'm gonna put the link right here so as well. So guys, that's a wrap.
Invite you to come and play down the road. One Nina, one of the worst time, man. Oh, so I'm take my word. Wicked. Wicked.
No, don't forget. Get your bag. You can't spit your water, don't it? You laugh.
Boy, can't bust open same way, you know.
That's funny you run and die. That'd be funny but you would be so funny. Nina, that's alright.